Hi there, welcome to Acquia's Drupal Module Development video course. I'm thrilled to have you join me in this valuable learning experience. My name is Dallas Ramsden, and I'm a developer specializing in Drupal for over 11 years. Since joining Acquia a few years ago, I've had the opportunity to train hundreds of attentive individuals just like yourself around the globe by leveraging the benefits and affordances of virtual learning. I want to thank the Acquia Learning Services team for their support and for giving me the opportunity to craft the next generation of Drupal training. My goals and design principles of this course guide your Drupal module development learning to be unique, engaging, and most importantly, valuable and practical. So what better way to begin this course than here in the nature of New Zealand? Perhaps boldly, I often draw parallels between the ecosystem of nature and the ecosystem of Drupal. And just like the laws and principles of biology, physics, and chemistry govern the ecosystem before us, Drupal also has schools of thought and modern engineering principles powering its ecosystem framework, such as object-oriented programming, auto-loading, reusable components, and libraries. We'll begin by understanding the essence of Drupal by studying the Symfony framework which powers Drupal. From there, we'll grow into the practical applications of Drupal module development, such as plugins, services, forms, and more. This is a comprehensive course, and you will become a stronger and more competent developer by completing it in earnest. So, without further ado, let's begin.